Welcome back to Wall Curtains. Today we're diving into a common home decor topic, often gets overlooked: curtain installation. Hanging curtains might seem simple, but there are some easy mistakes that can make a big difference in the look and feel of your space. Stay tuned as we break down the top curtain installation mistakes and how to avoid them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more interior design tips and tricks. Mistake 1. Mounting the rod too low. Our first mistake is mounting the curtain rod too low. Many people make the error of hanging the rod just above the window frame, which can make your ceilings look shorter and your room feel cramped. Solution: hang your curtain rod higher, closer to the ceiling. This makes the room look taller and more spacious. A good rule of thumb is to hang the rod about 6 to 12 inches above the window frame. Mistake 2. Choosing the wrong curtain length. Next up, choosing the wrong curtain length. Curtains that are too short can make your room look incomplete, while overly long ones can drag and look messy. Solution: make sure your curtains either gently touch the floor or have a slight puddle effect. For a more elegant look, measure carefully before purchasing your curtains to get the perfect fit. Mistake 3. Ignoring curtain hardware style. Another common mistake is ignoring the curtain hardware style. People often choose rods and brackets that don't match the decor, which can clash with the room's aesthetic. Solution: choose hardware that complements your room's design, whether it's sleek and modern, vintage, or industrial. Don't underestimate how much a stylish rod and rings can elevate the overall look. Mistake 4. Improper light control. Finally, failing to consider light control is a big mistake, especially in rooms where privacy or light blocking is important, like bedrooms. Solution: choose curtains based on their function. Sheer curtains are great for letting in natural light, while blackout curtains work better for privacy and blocking out light in bedrooms or media rooms. And there you have it, the top curtain installation mistakes and how to avoid them. Properly hung curtains can truly transform your room, making it feel taller, more polished, and functional. Let us know in the comments which of these tips was most helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future home decor ideas from Wall Curtain. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.